Hi, Chanel from Teochew Foodie. At this video, I'm going to show you how to make steamed wonton. So if you have a wok or pot at home, you can simply just place your bamboo basket on top. Or if you don't have the bamboo basket, you can use the Bain-marie, the metal vegetable steaming basket. It can work as well. So basically, just put some water to your wok and then open the fire to max, and then place your bamboo basket here, and then we will wait till the water get boiled. So for the bamboo basket, usually we will put a steam mat here so the product doesn't stick to the bamboo basket. It makes it easier to clean after for the bamboo basket. It also reusable. We have 3 sizes at our store, same as it can match the bamboo basket. I would recommend you to get this one. It can also work at your Bain-marie or your other steaming equipment. Okay, so once you see a lot of steam comes out from the bamboo basket, means the water under is boiling, so we can now put the frozen wonton directly to the steam basket. Cover it and steam for 10 minutes. Okay, after 10 minutes, the steamed wonton is ready. Now we can open the lid and then close the fire and then put them to a plate. So for the steamed wonton, I would recommend you to use our handmade crispy chili oil. And you can either pour it over or just use it as a dipping sauce. It's super yummy. Bon appétit!